major hurricanes from climate change. Sudden rainstorms caused by global warming. Earthquakes that result in tsunamis. Damage from flooding caused by natural disasters is a real threat in our world today. The Great East Japan Earthquake of 2011, a magnitude 7 earthquake, triggered a tsunami that caused tremendous damage. The earthquake damaged roads, making it impossible for some floodgates to be closed. Many volunteer firefighters became victims of the disaster while closing the floodgates. We must not let future natural disasters result in such a tragedy. Now, one possible solution is offered by the automated seawall system, NeoRise. The NeoRise stainless steel gates are reinforced with hard resin, adding strength while keeping the structure light. The flap gates float when flooding occurs, and counterweights automatically raise the gates to the water level. The NeoRise system utilizes buoyancy and water pressure to close the gate. Therefore, electrical and communication systems are not needed, and no human interaction is required. No human intervention. No risk to operators' lives. No burden on human resources such as volunteer firefighters and civil engineers for surveillance. When the NeoRise flapgate is in the resting position, the force of the counterweight raises the wall to absorb and dissipate the impact of the storm surge. There are no sudden movements that could cause injury. Flow operation tests have been conducted at our own factories. Gates must adjust smoothly to floodwater levels and also must close quickly, but not so quickly as to be a danger. The flapgate opens and closes without endangering anyone nearby. There is no need to close the NeoRise flapgate before a natural disaster, as the buoyancy of the flapgate causes it to close, allowing easier evacuation. The NeoRise lineup offers solutions for not only tsunamis, but also storm surges, urban flooding, and almost any other kind of flooding. NeoRise land-mounted flapgate retractable seawall, intended to be installed at landlock or entrance to a factory. NeoRise A architectural type, designed to be integrated into building exteriors. NeoRise L, light, simple type. This simplified seawall lineup can easily be installed in place of existing equipment. NeoRise W, wall-mounted type, offers solutions for through-holes and air conditioning systems that cannot normally be closed during a flood. NeoRise D, duct type. designed to be used in air conditioning and ventilation ducts. NeoRise SL's super long span type. This retractable seawall can be extended to protect long spans such as runways or riverbanks. In this world where there are constant threats of flooding, the NeoRise seawall system has already been used to protect ports, factories, and many other buildings. The system is more flexible than conventional units, costs less, is easier to manage, remains hidden in non-emergency situations, and is less dangerous to operate. No energy. No operation. Rising seawall. NeoRise. It will contribute to sustainable disaster prevention and reduction to protect the lives of people around the world.